Today, we're exploring natural alternatives to one of the most commonly used pain relievers, ibuprofen. Stick around as we dive into 5 herbs that can be even more effective and gentler on your body. Ibuprofen is a popular over-the-counter medication for pain and inflammation, but it comes with potential side effects like stomach irritation and increased heart risk. Thankfully, nature offers us powerful herbs that can provide relief without the downsides. Let's start with our first herb. First up, turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Studies published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine have shown that turmeric can be as effective as ibuprofen for managing pain, especially in conditions like arthritis. Curcumin works by inhibiting inflammatory molecules in the body, providing relief from chronic pain and inflammation. Next, ginger. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory effects, ginger can help reduce muscle pain and soreness. Research in the Journal of Pain indicates that consuming ginger can significantly reduce pain and inflammation, making it a great natural alternative to ibuprofen. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols, which block inflammatory pathways and reduce oxidative stress, promoting quicker recovery from exercise-induced muscle pain. Third, thyme. This aromatic herb is not only a culinary favorite, but also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. According to the Journal of Lipid Research, thyme contains compounds like thymol and carvacrol that help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain, particularly in muscles and joints. These compounds work by inhibiting the production of inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, offering relief from pain and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis and gout. Fourth, cinnamon sticks. Beyond its warm, sweet flavor, cinnamon has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The Journal of Medicinal Food highlights that cinnamon can help reduce inflammation and pain, particularly in conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and general muscle soreness. The active components in cinnamon, such as cinnamaldehyde and eugenol, have been shown to inhibit inflammatory pathways and reduce the production of pro-inflammatory molecules, making it a powerful natural remedy. Fifth, arnica. Often used topically, arnica is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and pain from bruises, sprains, and muscle aches. According to the American Journal of Therapeutics, arnica gel can be as effective as ibuprofen gel for treating osteoarthritis pain. Arnica contains helenilen, a compound that helps reduce swelling and pain by inhibiting inflammatory cytokines and enzymes. It's an excellent choice for those looking for a natural topical pain relief option. These 5 herbs, turmeric, ginger, thyme, cinnamon sticks, and arnica, offer natural and effective alternatives to ibuprofen. Incorporating them into your routine can help manage pain and inflammation without the risks associated with over-the-counter painkillers. Have you tried any of these herbs for pain relief? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Thanks for watching Natural Healthy Living Care, and see you next time.